motherfucking police, man. Yeah, here they come with that bullshit. Damn, is this nigga pulling me over?
Hey, what happened?
And the motherfucking police always fucking with people, pulling niggas over. And this nigga in an undercover car? This nigga look like a rapist or something. What the fuck going on here?
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Fuck. Alright, I know what to do. Fucking police. Nigga think he gonna pull me over and shit. Not after I just get all that motherfucking toilet paper and water. Nah, we ain't doing that. I already know what the fuck he gonna wanna do though, so I already know what to do. Oh shit, the police.
How's it going today, sir? Can you roll down the window for me?
Oh man, I can't roll down the window. It's cold, man. The motherfuckers out there got corona. I don't know what the fuck going on, man. What you pulling me over for?
Can you roll down the window so I can explain to you the reason why I pulled you over today?
Nah, man. I see you. You got your motherfucking gloves and shit on, man. I ain't trying to get nothing out there. Just tell me what I did, officer. I'm trying to get home for the curfew.
The reason for my stop today, when I was getting off the freeway, I noticed that you speeded off the off-ramp. I was sitting there at the light and nearly caused an accident back there, so that's the reason for my stop. Do you have license proof of insurance, please?
I was speeding, man. Come on, bro. My car only go like 60 miles per hour. Man, I was not speeding, I swear. Boy Scouts honor, I swear I was not speeding.
Okay. Well, I mean, I seen you almost cause an accident, too. That's another reason for my stop.
I was not speeding, and also, well, you didn't see the big fat lady was waddling across the street, man. I had to switch to the side, man, and not try to hit her big ass and shit. She was all in the street.
I still have a job to do, so can I get your proof of insurance, please, and license?
But I don't know if I need to give that to you. Is that even a real badge? What's your badge number?
635.
Okay, I need to call that in or something, because I don't trust you. You know, it's coronavirus. They got the curfew and all that going on, man. I'm just trying to, you know, get a little water and shit, man. You know?
Gay!
Where'd you get all this water and toilet paper from?
I mean, yeah, shit, same place everybody else get it, the liquor store, man.
Like I said, Sarah, I'm just trying to get you on your lovely little way. Can I get your license and registration, proof of insurance?
Alright, man, you giving me a hard damn time, man. Hold on.
Say what?
My light.
You know what? It's okay.
Damn, that worked like a motherfucker, man. And stretching right here.
I don't know if you really got the virus, whatever the fuck you got going on. I'm gonna let your bitch ass go today.
Oh, thank you, officer. Clown ass nigga. Fuck you, I'm out. Bitch.
Rifleman Shot Me Films.